Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannada. Now today's article is separation between lattice planes in cubic crystals. Now for that purpose, let us consider a cube. This is a cube having edge A, small a, and let HKL be the Miller indices of the plane ABC. Thus, plane belongs to a family of planes whose Miller indices are HKL because Miller indices represent a set of plane. Now in this figure, let ON is equal to D1 be the perpendicular distance of the plane ABC from the origin. Let alpha dash, beta dash and gamma dash be the angles between coordinate axes x, y, z respectively and ON. The intercept of the plane on three axes is OA is equal to A upon H, OB is equal to A upon K and OC is equal to A upon L. And from figure, cos of alpha dash is equal to D1 upon OA, cos of beta dash is equal to D1 upon OB and cos of gamma dash is equal to D1 upon OC. Now from figure 4.30b, ON square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore, D1 square is equal to D1 square cos square alpha dash plus D1 square cos square beta dash plus D1 square cos square gamma dash. Now that is ON square is equal to D1 square, which is equal to D1 square cos square alpha dash plus D1 square cos square beta dash plus D1 square cos square gamma dash whole raised to half. Thus D1 is equal to D1 cos square alpha dash plus cos square beta dash plus cos square gamma dash raised to 1 by 2. Thus cos square alpha dash plus cos square beta dash plus cos square gamma dash is equal to 1. Substituting the value of cos of alpha dash, cos of beta dash, cos of gamma dash from figure 4.5 and 4.6, we get d1 upon OA square plus d1 upon OB square plus d1 upon OC square is equal to 1. Now d1 square upon A square is taking common. In bracket h square plus k square plus l square, which is equal to 1. D1 square is equal to a square upon h square plus k square plus l square. Therefore, d1 is equal to a upon under root of h square plus k square plus l square. Now let OM is equal to d2 be the perpendicular distance of the next plane PQR parallel to the first plane ABC. The intercept of this plane on three crystallographic axes are that is OA dash is equal to 2A upon H, OB dash is equal to 2A upon K, and OC dash is equal to 2A upon L. Now cos of alpha dash is equal to d2 upon OA dash, cos of beta dash is equal to d2 upon OB dash, cos of gamma is equal to gamma dash is equal to d2 upon OC dash. Now OM square is equal to d2 square cos square alpha dash plus d2 square cos square beta dash plus d2 square cos square gamma dash. d2 square is equal to d2 square in bracket cos square alpha dash plus cos square beta dash plus cos square gamma dash. Now you know that cos square alpha dash plus cos square beta dash plus cos square gamma dash is equal to 1. Substituting this value, we get d2h upon 2a whole square plus d2k upon 2a whole square plus d2l upon 2a whole square, which is equal to 1. d2 square upon 4a square in bracket h square plus k square plus l square is equal to 1. From this, d2 square is equal to 4a square upon under root uh, d2 square is equal to 4a square upon s square plus k square plus l square. Thus, the interplanar spacing between two adjacent parallel planes of Miller indices HKL in cubic lattice is given by d is equal to d2 minus d1. Now d2 is 2a upon under root of s square plus k square plus l square minus d1 is a upon under root of s square plus k square plus l square. Now which is equal to a upon under root of s square plus k square plus l square.